So, hello everyone, welcome to this demo that will be about asyncio rewrite of package releases job. So as we ingest more data, we analyze more packages and our database of Python packages grows. We hit performance issues in one of our jobs, that is package releases job. And the issue was that package releases was a synchronous job that basically checked whether there are new packages on monitored Python indices. So the job queried what Python packages we have in the database and checked new versions on Python package releases that are monitored. As we have more Python package indices and we have more packages, this job took more than 12 hours to finish. And many times it timed out in the cluster or failed for some reason. So the change, the newly introduced change in package releases job made this job asynchronous. So we use asyncio to check packages, new releases of packages on Python package indices. And right now, package releases job finishes in 3 hours. So that's optimization that was done on the backend side. We will probably be able to also allocate more CPU for this. So the performance will go up, and this way we will be able to ingest or monitor more packages and more Python package releases with this change. Do you have any questions? If not, thank you and see you next time.